Hi friends, it's Mia from Interact. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a personality style quiz. This includes correlating each answer choice to their corresponding quiz result. So, let's get into it. Personality style quizzes are based on correlations. The system will determine which result the quiz taker will land on based on how they responded throughout the quiz. On the back end, the answers to each question are correlated to a specific result. Whichever answers the quiz taker chooses most is the result they are going to receive. To get started, select Create Quiz. I'm going to start from scratch and select Personality. When creating a personality style quiz, we recommend first creating your cover page. We recommend that personality quiz titles follow the format of Which blank are you or What blank are you, as well as a short description that directly addresses the problem and tells the quiz taker that they will find the solution by the end of the quiz. Next, we recommend creating all of your results. Hit Results. Here is where you are going to build all of your quiz results. Here is an example of a quiz result. It has a result title and a result description. Make sure to create your results before creating your quiz questions. This is important because you will need to correlate the answer choices for each question to result in the next step. Select Questions. When creating your questions for your personality style quiz, make sure there are obvious differences in the answer options. Once you have created all of your quiz questions, now is the time to correlate and score your quiz questions. Click Result Correlations. This is where you are going to connect or map each answer choice to their corresponding quiz result. I'm going to select answer choice A and map it to its corresponding quiz result. The answer choice the quiz taker selects most is the quiz result they will receive at the end of the quiz. Continue mapping each answer choice to their corresponding quiz result. After you have mapped each answer choice, hit Save. Here are a couple of best practices to keep your results accurate. First, make sure each result has the same total number of possible correlations across the quiz. This helps prevent one result from being unintentionally favored over the others. Second, try to avoid ties. We recommend ensuring each result has enough opportunities to receive correlations. As a general guideline, aim for each result to have at least 5 total correlations throughout the quiz. By default, if there is a tie, the first of the top results chosen would be selected as the tiebreaker. I would recommend adding an additional question or removing a question to make the number of questions uneven if you are concerned with having a tie. When you have finished correlating every quiz question, hit Publish. Then Publish Changes. Your personality style quiz is now live. And that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching and happy quizzing.